For instance, we have, when we actively bring the air in, move it around and take it out in an attic, not only are we getting rid of that excess heat that is going to sit around and pool in that space so that the mold can start to grow because it's just dense, moist, dead air that's not moving. Even with some of the wind, it just isn't enough to move it on a regular basis. And that's an important point, is a regular basis. You have to do it at regular intervals so that the hot, moist air doesn't pool and sit in one spot. So that, as you know, with heat rises, and these little water droplets, which are on a nano level, have the spores inside of them, and they migrate up because hot air rises. They migrate
Right.
up to the wood deck. They attach themselves, and being such a moist, rich environment with not a lot of air movement, they start to grow and eat the wood. They feed on the wood.